Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and a big shout out to all of my new subscribers here. Today I have another unboxing video for you all. Now it seems like the prices of a lot of electronics have been decreasing in the last couple weeks. Now the CORSAIR Virtuoso RGB wireless headphone is one of the items that I got for less than the asking price here. I did find this on eBay as an open box for $90. Now, this is normally priced between $170 to $200 brand new. Also, there's nothing wrong with open box electronics, especially if you can get them for way lower than the asking price. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Right out of the box, we have the headphones itself. No scratches as far as I can tell. However, it is a little dirty, but I can always spot clean the outside. Next, we have the USB-C charging cable, the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Now we have the wireless USB dongle. And lastly, the microphone portion of the headphones. Now, I was surprised that the microphone would be connected by a USB Type B connector. I haven't seen that around in the last couple of years, and was wondering why they didn't just make this a micro USB connection. If anyone knows why, feel free to leave a comment. Next here I have the USB-C charging cable connected, and we're going to charge this for a bit before we use it. Now the RGBs will be a default white color, which you can change using Corsair's IQ software. I really do like the build of this headset, as this is a premium headset and the materials used show that it is premium. This unit is the black version. Now they do have gunmetal, white, and espresso. The unit is made of lightweight aluminum, so it's not too heavy while wearing it. And the unit has memory foam pads, so it is super comfortable over your ears. Now connecting this was super easy. All you need to do is plug in the wireless dongle and switch the toggle on the headphones to wireless. Have your PC or laptop recognize it, and you are good to go. At most, it took me about 10 to 20 seconds to pair and begin using. Here I attempt to show you all how loud this can get when you don't have your headphones in. Now, for obvious reasons, I won't be able to let you guys hear how the audio sounds like, but in a few words here, I would describe the audio as crisp and loud. I was able to compare it with my wired Void Elite, and there is a very big difference to the sound quality. Both of the headphones have 50mm drivers, and in all honesty, I think it's just the sound settings that I had while I had the Void Elite on. Now, the same can be said for any headset, as we all have access to programs that can enhance the sound. One thing about this that I couldn't really figure out is how to turn the unit off. Now, to turn it on, you need to toggle the switch to either wireless or Bluetooth. However, there's no on or off button. Users on the Corsair forum have said the same thing. Some have said that there's an automatic sleep timer and to let it be for about 5 minutes, or to toggle the Bluetooth and just leave it be. I found that either solution to work. However, it would have been nice if there was an on-off toggle switch so as to not waste the charge. Charging only takes about 20 minutes, however, it does depend on how much charge is left, as the average is about 1 to 2 hours to be fully charged. I would say this is a good buy if you're able to find it for more or less than $100. Again, I got these for $90 as an open box on eBay. Maybe I lucked out with the seller, but these headphones are as good as brand new in my opinion. Alright guys, so that was it for my unboxing of this Corsair Virtuoso wireless RGB headset. We are almost there to my goal of having 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Currently we are at 70, so just 30 more to go. Obviously I won't be able to do this without all of your support, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.